We constructed a measurement device for perimeter ions such as lithium, sodium, and potassium. At present, there is no simplified measurement device for perimeter ions, so we aim to construct a portable device. This device utilizes flame reaction caused by current. Because the luminance intensity is related with concentration, we observe the luminance intensity and calculate the concentration. This is theoretical equation which can describe the relationship between concentration and luminance intensity. This equation is based on the radiative transfer equation. We introduce some statistical methods for correcting the error, such as Gaussian function and internal standards. This is our device. The electrode goes through flame reaction, then the light is observed by color compass. To prepare for the change of condition, we have to use two-point calibration. By calculating constant of equation, we can make this device adjust to change of the conditions. In experiment 1, we verified our accuracy of the device. The accuracy exceeds 19.8%, and we also confirmed that the device is available for soil from environment. We can confirm the change of the concentration after having heavy rain. This is conclusion and reference for future tasks. That's all. Thank you for listening.